Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be talking about great Fable scents to mix together.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we are going to be talking about various characters and scent profiles that you guys can mix together for a completely different experience. Now, before we get started, consider giving us a like, comment, and subscribe. Now, when you make a comment, I'd like to see what different scent mixtures you have already done that you really like. Now, I have tried some of them, and frankly, Maybe I just really like the straight normal scents, but there's kind of a rarity of a few that I really like. So I want to know about what you guys like. Do you like to put together the Gunslinger and Crimson Captain? Do you like to put together the Wizard and the Artist? You know, these workers from Fable. You know, what do you like to put together? Go ahead and comment down below. We're very excited to hear your opinions. Now, like we've already talked about, many of you have done this before, but for those of you who haven't done this, I hope that we can inspire you to try some of these things, because we know that a lot of you have more than just one bottle. So I'm going to share with you some mixture ideas on how I think that they smell, and hopefully we get to hear what you guys like. So, first one, the Baker and the Grower. Now, these are two CBD products, so we're going to mix them together. The Baker, you know, having that fresh bread smell, it's nice, it's fresh, but also you got that Grower, another fresh smell, but of a different variety. Now, I have heard some people say that they have put this together, and there's a bit of like an apple fritter-like smell to it. I love that. I love an apple fritter smell. So I wish that I could be mixing them all the time, kind of put both bottles in together and have their own little character. But also, I really enjoy having both of those separately. All right, number two. Now, this one's a bit of an odd one. I've tried it out a couple of times, and something about it just works. It's hard to describe, but you have the Barber and the Marksman. Now, both of these have this like slight cologne. There's this clean smell to it, but that extra dose of pine from the Marksman just adds that extra something to it. Definitely has this mystic smell to it. It's all clean. I love the musk that you get from it, but the overall smell, there's almost something mysterious about it. Now, number three. Now, these two, they're kind of a natural to seem to go together. You have Dr. Wolf and also the Teacher. These are two that have berry smells to them. The Teacher is a mixed berry, and Dr. Wolf has the tobacco and the blueberry smell. So naturally, they go together. But with the different mixes of berries from one and that extra tobacco from them, there's a zest to it that just kicks in every time that you can put it in. And number four. Now, this one is a personal favorite of mine. I've tried it a couple of times, and it just reminds me of home a little bit. Now, for those of you who don't know, I am originally from Florida. I was born and raised there, and I love it. Now, I was raised in a part of Florida where there were citrus groves everywhere. So naturally, there's going to be a little bit of the inventor involved there. But with being a part of Florida, naturally, you're going to go to the beach often. So you're also going to have the shark. Now, putting these together, I don't know what you would call it. I might have a couple of ideas, but I'm curious. What would you guys call a scent profile if you put the inventor and the shark together? Might that be the Florida man? Might that be the tourist? You know, what would that be? So comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on that. It is a joy to take different kinds of characters and mix them together, not only for the adventure of it to figure out the new smell, but also what new character name would you call that if you put two scents together? We are really happy to continue to hear the constant support that you guys have. Find us on Facebook, and also go ahead and share this video to all your friends, all your bearded friends out there. And don't forget, adventurers, with every purchase that you make, if you put in the discount code The Apprentice or YT25, you will get 25% off of your purchase. We thank you guys so much for supporting our channel, for our company. And as we say at the end of every video, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune and treasure and knowledge forever upon your door. Good day.